Do a little Mr. 45 maintenance. Some of you guys have heard it getting loud on my video. So I changed out my filter dryer. I don't run the screen inside here. I taken the screen out. It comes with these, you can replace your gasket. And it does come with some replacement screens you'll see right there. No need to have the screen in here if you're running a filter dryer. Okay, so before I get into some maintenance, we're going to run this self-test. It's on page 22 of your manual. And yes, I kept my manual because I'm a weirdo like that. So you want to set your knob to recovery. Let's bring her over here to recovery mode. You want to open your input to the air. We got that. You want to connect the ball valve on your out port. Close the ball valve. Let's do that. So I got a hose with a ball valve here on the outlet. We're going to set that to closed. Open air, ball valve closed. We're going to start. The Mr. 45 should hit the high pressure cutout at 550 psig within 45 seconds. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Oh, depending how fast I counted, yeah, it's right on the money. We passed our self-test. Very good. I'll let this air out. Self-test passed. Now I'm going to get to the part about the oil. Okay, here's the maintenance page. Wipe it down with the damp cloths, blah, blah, blah. To extend the life of your internal seals, occasionally pump a teaspoon of mineral oil through the Mr. 45. And then number 3 talks about the mesh screen. And I've talked about I don't put that screen in there because I run a filter dryer. But the oil thing, we should give it a try for sure. So I run a teaspoonful. The eyedropper. I got the oil in there. Put it in. I'm going to put my filter dryer back on. Just showing you guys what I did. Now I'm going to leave everything open for a minute. I'm going to suck air through it and suck air out of it onto this rag. And let's see if old Mr. 45 is going to sound any better. You guys ready for it? So that's with the oil in. Now she started getting noisy when I did that job that was full of moisture. She did not like that. And I did recover it with the filter dryer on, but it did not like pulling that refrigerant out that was wet. What the hell? Listen to that. Put the oil in. Now she's quiet. That's a huge difference. You watch this, I'll put my finger over the inlet. Sucking right on down. A little maintenance goes a long ways. Look at that. She was sounding terrible. Now he's back. Mr. 45. Oh, stoked right now. Purring like a kitten. That actually sounds better than when it was brand new. Let's try that self-test again. Now it's got some oil in it. Self-test with the oil change. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 6 seconds. That's pretty cool. She is running without the head pressure all built back up on it. A lot happier. The Fieldpiece MR45. Get one.